Today I'm going to show you how to put together this simple deluxe umbrella. It comes with this sturdy powder coated pole and the umbrella itself. It's wrapped in plastic, it's easy to unload. The umbrella itself is waterproof and wind resistant. Here I'm just putting the umbrella on the pole and then I'm clicking it in with the safety button. I found it very easy to crank it up with the built-in crank system. This particular umbrella is 7.5 feet in width, and it's just enough room for my 2 Adirondack chairs. On the top, there is a airflow vent, which I like, so then it doesn't fall over very easily. And then as we go closer in here, and then when you get it all the way up, it has this nice safety bar here, so you can crank it all the way up. And then you can, it's got 2 different holes, one and then one down a little lower. So in case you want to not make it so tight, you can bring it down a little bit more like that. It's got good quality construction here. Everything is nicely coated. Has a button here to keep this piece into this piece. I chose this off-white one because I wanted to use this off-white one to match my white chairs, but also just to have a neutral color. My recommendation would be to get this umbrella. I really love it. I got the 7.5 one because I didn't really need a big, huge space for it to go, and I just had 2 Adirondack chairs for it to shade.